have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. শুভ বিজয়ার প্রীতি শুভেচ্ছা অভিনন্দন আর প্রচুর ভালোবাসা আমার সমস্ত স্টুডেন্টদের জন্য and প্রচুর আশীর্বাদ আমার তরফ থেকে ক্লাস 10 and 12 board স্টুডেন্টদের জন্য. Today I am going to discuss how to fill out the OMR sheet class 10 and 12 board students. The coming examination term 1 is very soon. That's why today's topic is how to fill out the OMR sheet. This is the OMR sheet. How to fill up. This is my today's discussion. Okay. Now I am going to fill out the OMR sheet. When students listen very carefully, when you will get the OMR sheet, first of all you fill up your personal data. What is this? The student name in capital letters only. Only you use capital letter and blue and black dot pen. No one use gel pen for fill up the OMR sheet. First of all you write, my name is Rumki Chakraborty. I am fill up here RUM all in caps. Okay, and then one space just to leave and then you write Chakraborty. Your title you can write. Okay, then you write the school code. The whatever be the school code, you just write here school code 1 2 3 4 5 6 suppose. Then you write class and section. You are now class 10. You write class 10 and section. You are now suppose section S or D or A or B, whatever be, you write the section. Now the examination date. Today's date I am writing here date. Today's date is 22nd October 21. Which subject you are going to giving the exam? This is maths. You have to fill up all these things in capital letter. Okay, just you write in capital letter. Then you write subject code. This is 041. This is the subject code, and after that you write the roll number. Whatever be the roll number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 9 8 9. First you write in the box the roll number, then just column wise you fill up, you just bubbling 1 with the black and blue dot pen, just like this. Okay, then you have to do bubbling 2, then you have to bubbling 3. Just no one do 2 bubbling in a same column. No one, repeatedly I am telling, no one doing, you will do 2 bubbling at a time in a same column. This is totally restricted. Very carefully when you fill up the OMR sheet, you just bubbling very carefully. The column wise only 1 bubbling is there. No one do 2 or 3 bubbling, and you do 2 and 3 bubbling, then cut it, then again you do correctly. No, this is strictly restricted. You have to fill up. Now 0 is here, only 1 bubbling. Now 8 is here and now 9 is. Just like this you fill up your roll number. And when you going to fill up the answer multiple choice answer option, when you fill up, first of all listen very carefully. Which first you read, when you will get the question paper, you will get 15 minutes time for reading the whole question paper. Then you just read very carefully and you when the start the examination, when the exam bell ringing, then you start doing the maths or any subject you are doing. First you mark in the question paper which option is correct. For the mathematics you do rough, you will get the rough page. Okay, first you do the rough sheet, your maths you just do in the rough sheet, then which option is correct you put in the booklet, question booklet. You have to write, tick mark the question booklet. After that all 40 questions are there. The question paper consists 50 question total. Okay, you have to write 40 question only, because this term 1 examination 40 marks examination you have to give and 10 marks for your practical exam. Okay, internal assessment whatever be, class 12 for practical and class 10 for multiple assessment or internal examination whatever be. 40 marks, just you listen, theory is 40 marks. 40 marks exam you have to give, 40 question you have to write, you have to mark in the question booklet 40 MCQs correct option. First you complete this one within 1 hour. The total timing is 90 minutes. Within 1 hour you have to complete the marking. Which option is correct? You just mark in the question booklet and within 1 hour. And 30 minutes for, you just take 30 minutes for the doing fill up the OMR sheet. Bubbling for OMR sheet you just take 30 minutes. Total is 90 minutes, that is 1 hour 30 minutes. 30 minutes you just take for the bubbling. No one do any mistake. If the first question number 1 is over, A option is correct, you put in the booklet A option is correct. When you do the bubbling you just put the D option is correct. No, this is very wrong thing. You very clearly, cautiously and concentrate your mind which option you correct you put in the booklet. You just bubbling here only this option. Again and again I am telling, no one do bubbling in the here is same row two circle bubbling. No one do. Only one circle you have to bubbling. Okay, now you just think 2B is correct. You just bubbling 2B. Now 3C is correct. You just do 3C is correct. You just see the answer booklet. Which option you put a tick mark for correct option, then you bubbling here also. Okay, now 4A is correct and you guess 5B is correct, you just bubbling here. Then 6A is also correct. Now you guess, you think D is correct. Only one row you have to bubbling, only one circle. No one do bubbling same line 2 circles. This is mandatory to fill up only one circle. No one do 2 or more, 1 or more, 1 is correct. No one do more than one circle bubbling. This is strictly prohibited. This is strictly restricted. And now only 40 question. 50 is here. Here is 60 numbering is there, but you have to, here is 60 number, but you have to fill up only 40, because the question paper consists of, the question paper is 40 marks question paper, 90 minutes time. Here is so many option, there is 60 marks, then 20 option is there, then you have to fill up only 40 bubbling you have to do. You have to do only 40 bubbling. Okay, and again I am telling, no one do the same row 2 bubblings. Just which option is correct, you just see the booklet and then you bubbling here. You just see the answer which is correct, you just put a tick mark in the booklet, then you just do the bubbling. Use always blue and black dot pen. No one use gel pen. Okay. And when you will get 15 minutes for reading the question, you just read the question very clearly and cautiously. And when you will get the OMR sheet, first you fill up your details, personal details very carefully, and personal details you have to fill up in the capital letter. Then roll number you have to bubbling. No one do mistake when you fill up the roll number. When you fill up the answer sheet, answer, no one do any mistake. That's why I am making this video. I want all the students do very neat and clean and clearly the examination you have to give. Only 40 marks exam, 40 question you have to do the bubbling, and just you can I am doing only 1 to 40. You can do anything which is your choice. You just do the fill up your choice. In the OMR sheet you had to do which question you attend, just his choice up to you. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.